Today, there will be an acquaintance party at school at the University of Manila. Actually, this is the first time I will attend such an event at school. From first year, second year, and third year, I really did not have good attendance, especially in the celebrations that have passed and other events because I need to prioritize work before this. Life of a working student. Yeah, that is reality of life. So, this is the moment.
Let this be a chance to meet new faces, build friendships, and celebrate the spirit of creativity, openness, and community that defines our college. Let's enjoy the moment.
Please give a round of applause. Our third year representative, Mr. Mark John Valurina. And our second year representative, Ms. Marta Castillo. Our first year representative, Ms. Trisha Baclayon. And our third secretary, your very own, your host for today, I'm Micah Abril. Thank you, everyone. And for our elected secretary, we have Sir Gerald Benaventura. Our Vice President, Mr. Ren Apuan, but he is not here today because of unwanted circumstances, but please give a round of applause still. And last but not the least, of course, our elected President, Ms. Marian Acevedo.
May you lead with
gusto mo pala ng lap team, ha?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Yung naghanap ka pa ng kaduo.
Woo! Bill Clinton. 5.
Rice, wala pang bawas.
Ngayon, sino sa kanila ang mananalong mutya at nakal ng ating artes liberal? Malalaman natin yan kapag sila or kapag nakita na natin ang kanilang rank. To end this acquaintance party of Artes de Liberal, acquaintance party of 2025, I would just like to thank everyone who came in here to celebrate.
At dito nagtatapos ang masayang gabi na ito. That's all for tonight and good night.